exposure outside of what they typically do, with respect to their school and extracurricular activities, exposure to a lot of things, exposure to different professions, realization that things outside of the realm of what they know exist. I think that was one, I would say, side effect, so to say, of it, which was very positive. Of course, the main one, the course focused on communication skills and presentation skills, so that was an obvious positive outcome of that.
How has A Plus Talks helped in your child's confidence?
I think definitely she came out of the shell after A plus, and I think it's not an overnight journey, but it was over the period of 9 months that they spent around that. Slowly and slowly, she started doing self-analysis, self-realization that she can actually step up. And step by step, she started with 2 people, 3 people, dancing, choreographing, and there came a time when we had an annual fest and all. She choreographed 3-4 songs. They had to tell her that now you stop. There are only so many slots, and
Wow.
basically the fear factor was not just getting on the stage, but being blank. What will people perceive about them when they are on the stage? I think thoughts were shattered in a way that when she is on a stage, she's in her own realm and she can present what she is truly herself. And that helped in self-realization, self-confidence, self-reliance when she stood on that stage. So I think this is the biggest anybody could build up a confidence booster, where you don't push a child, but when the child is confident themselves, they know where they need to stand up and how they need to stand up and how they show themselves. So I think that's the biggest thing that A Plus helped us in this journey.
Why did you invest your hard-earned money in this skill for your child?
There's a lot of things to it. One is this journey of growing from where you are today as a typical child to where you have to be, learning how to make progress, learning how to go through that journey, learning how to work in a group, learning how to cope with failure, right? I mean, a lot of them started with not being able to speak, not being able to in front of a group, not being able to collate their thoughts, organize their thoughts, and they did it again and again, right? I mean, they would have done this, they would have practiced for this, at least I would say 15 to 20 times, they would have reiterated. And so towards that, in terms of, why spend money in that, I think that was a very, very important life skill, that the course taught them. It's, again, I don't think this course is just about, teaching you how to speak on stage in front of people, right? It's a journey, fundamental life skills, right, that are important for success in any sphere. It's not just about professional success, in personal success. These kind of skills are life skills, which I think is far more important and with far more returns than investment in some material.
Thank you so very much.